Hi everybody, my name is Heidi Willis and I'm a renowned botanical and natural history artist with many years of experience in the fine arts industry behind me. I have a successful career, I am highly proficient in my medium and I have a proven track record for my work as a tutor. I am so excited to be here with you today. I'd like to welcome you to this space, introduce my work and myself to you and share my knowledge with you on this incredible platform here today. I look forward to getting to know you all so much better. Have you always loved watercolor but you were never really sure where to get started in this process? Or have you got some experience in watercolor but you're looking to find some sound advice and guidance on how to grow and develop your techniques and skills and knowledge beyond where you currently sit? Well, let me show you how. Watercolor is such a beautiful medium. I want to welcome you to this space today and I invite you to join me in my online painting tutorials. This is a space where you will discover how you can create watercolor paintings that make you feel proud. So let's just get started.